Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to join your favorite K-pop communities on Weverse, in this video I will show you exactly how to install the Weverse app on your Android step by step. So first, open your Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to your search engine and type Weverse. Now look for the official app by Weverse Company Inc. and tap Install. The download will begin automatically. Once installed, tap Open. Then you can log in or create a new account to start using Weverse. Make sure you have enough space and a stable internet connection. Also, keep your device updated to avoid compatibility issues. And that's it. You have now successfully installed the Weverse app on your phone. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.